Paga me se popo pogo pele. Kagunga volo kabuta ngenu vula mehlo akho. Just spread your wings and fly away. Yunga sabi, this is your world.
P-Block and Company here. You guys are welcome to our workshops, but follow INKANYEZI Concert Tours and you'll learn how to make a belt.
So I'll start again. So when we make a belt, we've got 9 holes. And then on this side you can see we've got the slot, and then that gets folded over and the buckle goes in there. So now to get our size, we need to measure from there to the center hole.
From here?
Yeah.
To the center hole.
To the center hole.
Yes.
So we have to add on this and add on that and subtract that to get our measurement.
Okay.
Which usually it works out to about 20-22 centimeters.
Okay.
We have to add on to get our correct sizing.
Okay.
So yeah. So yeah, so lovely tool this. You've got your straight edge. And you always keep your straight edge on your straight edge.
So what's the size of?
45 millimeters.
Oh, it's 45.
45 millimeters.
Okay.
We don't make many of those.
All right.
You always have to take care of this piece sticking out here. It can give you a nasty cut if you're not careful. You end up with a thumb like that.
Oh, it's an injury.
Not that one, this one.
It's an injury from that one.
Cutting crocodiles.
Wow. And this thing is sharp.
Yeah. Right through
Super
it.
sharp. Which means this work you can't do, Frank.
No.
You're gonna mess
Need
up
to
a lot
be
of things.
focused.
Sorry?
You can see there's a tiny space on that side there. side.
We were talking about the importance of the templates. If you have your templates, the production just moves fast. Than starting to count again. So the money is on the templates.
The templates are those cardboards, the ones I showed you.
Yeah.
Some of them are here for the belts. You hang them here.
Yeah.
With different kind of sizes. You see them here. We got this cutlet like a double clone.
Okay.
Like my belt here. You can see here.
Oh, really?
The double clone. Same as what you can see there. That's for the double clone. And then also good for the single clone. If they maybe scope one, only one of these in the center here. It gets those. Only one. See that it's got double. It's the same as this one of mine.